Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Today I want to solve Office updating problem. This type of error is occurred. The update problem occurs when opening any module of Microsoft Office. After that,
winword.exe application error. How can solve it? I want to solve it. How can? Just follow me and take action easily. For fix, go to control panel, click control panel. Here I find program and feature. Click. Also find Microsoft Office Professional. Right click Microsoft Office which you installed. Change. Yes. Here two options, quick repair and online repair. You select quick repair and repair. Click repair. Few minutes wait for repair. Done repairing. You have finished repairing your Office program and feature and close. Then you try to open the Word file or Excel file. I hope the problem has been solved. Starting. The problem has been fixed. Very easy, just follow this process. Another file and another file, all are ready to use. If useful this video, please subscribe the channel and stay connected.